Hey everyone, welcome to the first ever weekly quantum computing roundup. Let's break down the biggest breakthroughs, business moves and market trends shaping the future of quantum this week. Scientists just introduced a brand new concept called Neglectons, a type of quasiparticle that could give quantum computers more power than ever before. It's like discovering a hidden gear inside the quantum engine. Over in the lab, researchers used AI to assemble atomic grids. Imagine the framework for a future quantum brain, and even animated Schrödinger's cat to show it off. Meanwhile, scientists in Sweden found a magnetic trick that could completely reshape how quantum chips are designed. This might be the start of a whole new generation of hardware. On the business side, IonQ is on a mission to become the Nvidia of quantum. With a fresh billion-dollar equity raise, a $13 billion valuation, and big-name partners like AWS and AstraZeneca, they're pushing hard for industry dominance. D-Wave is also shaking things up. They've got $800 million in cash and are scouting more than 40 acquisition targets. Their revenues jumped 42% in Q2, and they even landed a sale with the Jülich supercomputing center. Rigetti had a rougher quarter, with losses near $40 million, but they're promising a 100-plus qubit machine by the end of the year. And Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT, is still struggling with big losses and tiny revenue. IBM and Google say they're closer than ever to viable quantum computers, though Amazon is more cautious, warning it could take 15 to 30 years for the real payoff. The UK just launched its first commercial error-corrected quantum data center, backed by £500 million. They're aiming for trillions of operations by 2034. India also stepped up this week, unveiling its first superconducting quantum system with $1 billion of national funding and a new Quantum Valley Tech Park opening in 2026. And globally, over $42 billion has now been invested in quantum, with China responsible for 35% of that. In the markets, D-Wave stock is up nearly 90%, QUBT gained 7%, IonQ is steady, and Rigetti is down. Looking ahead, IEE Quantum Week kicks off in Albuquerque on August 31st. Quantum World Congress lands in Washington, D.C., September 16th to 18th. And Q2B25 hits Paris on September 24th and 25th. That's it for this week's Quantum Roundup. From new quasi-particles to billion-dollar bets and global breakthroughs. If you're into quantum computing, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week with more updates.